So we're in a 1 million square foot facility. There's 350,000 square foot that is changing from warehouse space to manufacturing. We're adding the backbone for HVAC into that area to be able to heat and cool it at a very short timeline. They made some commitments to people that they were bringing in for the new line they were starting, and we need to be able to deliver that quickly. The only way to do that with the manpower availability was to use a fusion product. We utilized mostly the Spider and Acrobat machines. The fusion joints are just so much faster than welding it or grooving it, so it allowed for a much quicker install to get them operational and meet the commitments that they had made.
Just being lighter in the weight and faster doing the fusion joints rather than welding steel pipe, and having some flexibility in it sure makes it nice.
So we had 10 guys that came over to the McElroy Training Center here in Tulsa and went through a whole day of classroom and hands-on training on all the various tools they'd use for this project.
Well, I sure like it, and it seems like to me that I bet the customers like it because it's not gonna create scale like the steel does. It's gonna be clean, and I think it's gonna last for a long time.
We've been very pleased with the McElroy tools. Very robust, didn't have any problems with them throughout the time. Everything worked flawlessly. We've seen the benefits of it, especially on this project, and definitely are looking for opportunities to be able to utilize it, not just on phase 3 coming up here, but on projects outside of this one.